Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. I like my video. In this video, we will learn about file streams in C++. We can read from a file and we can write to a file. The standard library offers such functionality via file streams. Those file streams are defined inside the F stream header, and they are F stream to read from a file, OF stream write to a file, F stream read from and write to a file. The F stream can both read from and write to a file. So let us see a simple example to use F stream object. So in our main function, first we need to import F stream. Include F stream, and here we're just going to use F stream. Stream and pass in a file name. Read.txt. This is a very simple example which creates a file stream called fstream and associated with the file name read.txt on our disk. To read from such file line by line, we can use, first I'm going to put some data inside this read.txt. So I created this file read.txt and have some text there. So and now we are going to have a string type variable. So need to include string. Include and here we have string variable line and now we associated with the file name. We use our file stream to read each line of text from the file and going to print it out on a screen. To do that, we declare a string variable line which will hold our read line of text. Inside the while loop, we will read a line from a file to our string, and we are going to use getLine function which accepts a file stream and string as an argument. Once read, we will output the text line on a screen. The while loop terminates once we reach the end of the file. So here we have our F stream, and then we have get line and our F stream and our line. We are reading each line into our string and print to console. So we put this out and print out the line. and end of line also. Let's run our code and check the output to change it to double quotes. And when we run our code, we are able to read the lines from our file. Now to read it from a file one character at a time, we can use the streams right shift operator. So let's try. Let's do stream. We're going to have another stream, and this will be from a same file. And then we are going to have our character C, variable C of type car. So we are going to loop through and print. First, we are going to read each character into our variable C. And here we are just going to add C. So our example reads the file contents of one character at a time into our car variable. So let's run our code. And you can see that bit over here. This skips the reading of white spaces. To rectify this, we can add the no skip WS manipulator to the preceding example. So let's do over here, and we are gonna do no skip, no skip. And let's run our code again. And here's the output, and we can see now we are not skipping white spaces. To write to a file, we can use a file's streams insertion operator. So let's try that. So we are going to use it. First, we are going to create a terminal and go back to our code. And here we are going to use fstream stream fs, and this will be a file name, output file name, out.txt, and so we are going to associate an fs object with an output file name and provide an additional out flag. So this will be iOS and out, which opens a file for writing and overrides any existing out.txt file. Then we are going to uh, output our text to a file stream using the insertion operator. So let's write just a few lines. So this will be first line, and we're going to add a new line. character at the end of the line, and we're gonna do the same for the second and third. Third line. Now we are going to run this code. And after running the code, we can open that file and we can see those lines are written into our file. To append text to an existing file, we can include the iOS app flag inside the file stream constructor. So let's do that now. And we're just gonna add this one to iOS, that means append app, and here we are just going to comment this section, and we're just going to append to a file instead of writing creating new file and adding content to it. So this will be fs, and this will be line 4, and this one we're going to add a new line character at the end. Now we can run our code and check if it's get appended to that file. So after running our code, we can see the line 4 which we append to our file. So if you want to append, then you can use this iOS app. We can also output strings to our file using the streams operator. So it's the left one, and let's try that. And here we are going to change it to, we're gonna keep it like this, and we're just gonna comment this one too. Then we are going to append some strings, so we need a string. So we're just gonna do string as set to hello world. And add a new line also. And we're just gonna write to file. So this will be our S. And if you want one more strings value written, so this will be another string S2, set to send text. So text, and with the new line, and this will be S2, and we can see the value of those string written to our file hello world and some text. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.